Swami Vivekananda was the man who took the Vedanta philosophy to the West and reformed Hinduism drastically. Narendranath Datta was a precocious child who was what we call nowadays an all-rounder excelling in music, studies and athletics. After his father's death, the family was reduced to poverty. Swamiji used to borrow books from the library in large volume and used to return them the next day. One day, the librarian asked him what he does with the books. Swamiji said he had studied all of them thoroughly. To judge, the librarian asked him questions on random. Swamiji answered him instantly and also quoted some of the lines from the same page. Such was his concentration power. The great figure who toured America, England and was known for his brilliant eloquence. World's Parliament of Religion, September 11, 1893. We believe not only in the universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all religions and all nations of the earth. Swamiji always said, "Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached." His views on education. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Believing in others is easy, but believing in yourself, that's the real challenge. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary. Thoughts live, they travel far. The world is great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. The youth are indeed the most dynamic and vibrant segment of the population in the country. Whatever you think, that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. Youth life is the most precious life. This is the time to decide your future while you possess the energy of youth. Not when you are worn out and jaded, but in the freshness and vigor of youth. Talk to yourself once in a day, otherwise you may miss meeting an excellent person in the world. Towards the end of his brief life, he advised his disciples, "Learn from my experiences, don't be so hard on your body and ruin your health." Swamiji had as many as 31 ailments. Liver and kidney damage, insomnia, migraine, asthma, diabetes are to name few. Swamiji had always said that he will not live till 40 years of age and died at 39.